Graphical Selection. If you want to analyze the cryptocurrencies that are within the wallet, you can use the powerful Graphical Selection tool. By clicking on the button, you enter a section where you can find a four-dimensional chart that you can customize as you wish. You can choose an indicator that best suits you for the y-axis and the x-axis. Select the color indicator, for example, the ALSA index, and the size of the bulls, for example, the daily trading volume. If you want to know what a specific bubble corresponds to, you can click on it to open the particular cryptocurrency and analyze it on its main features, an amount to be in the portfolio, or even go to the reference website to study its specifications. You can also analyze only the crypto you have in your portfolio, or choose the category that interests you most, such as the blockchain, instead of all the groups together. The various pellets with the thickest thickness are the crypto already included in your wallet.